99.99% of all the criminals, kidnappers, and so on that were arrested so far, Igbos are the ones kidnapping Igbos, they are the ones killing Igbos. All these camps,
The king of Igbos in Ghana is here protecting the interests of the Igbos here in Ghana, saying Igbos are very good, they are not criminals, they are not this, they are not that. In the previous video I check out, you guys can testify. But just in case you've not seen, you can go back to my channel and check the last video I posted, alright? Thank you as you do so. So guys, the very video we're about seeing right now is of a governor in one of the Igbo states in Nigeria. You see, he's saying opposite of what this very Igbo king is saying about Igbos in Ghana. I cannot wait for you to check this video out with me, guys, because it be like say I go wake up, I go dance. Ooh, I'm so sorry for the background noise, guys. This is what you get when your house is very close to the main road. Yeah, so I go dance today. I go dance because Inyash don't open. Oh my God. I love the fact that things are just coming up. Like, we don't even have to stress ourselves saying things again. Now, them, they open their mouth, they talk. This man, this governor, he's not from Hausa. He's not from Yoruba, but he is Igbo. And he's saying this. Okay, let me even tell you one of the things he said. Yeah, before you check the video out. He said 99% of kidnappers disturbing the community, I mean their own Igbos, are Igbo youth. So that means now them they do themselves. I be una they hear, una they see waiting with the talk since, right? Una they hear them. It's not coming from me, it's not coming from Hausa man, it's not coming from Yoruba man, it's coming from an Igbo man. And it's not just a normal person. Hey God. A governor of one of the Igbo states. Hey God, oh, I'm super happy. I thank God that all of this is coming out. We don't have to even stress ourselves to say a word again. Now then go use their mouth, talk everything. But then guys, let's get right into this video in order for you to have better understanding of what I'm talking about. Let's watch and I'll be right back.
I've been in office for three years and 3 months, okay? If we have arrested 100 criminals, non-mafia, kidnappers, and so on and so forth, 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. Did you hear me right? I said 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. So these things are unmerified because that was part of the lie that was put in propaganda. They are into kidnapping because it is the next lucrative business after Yahoo and drug. The next one for find disabled kidnapping. And this is even other states. If I'm not where we do all Anambra. Onye nke na village fa ogote motorcycle me adjoin California na abia ka etinye na line akwali ya bai mafia mama how to ifa iji dey also on the Fulani. Let me I repeat and I want you to quote me right. 99.99% of all the criminals, kidnappers, and so on that were arrested so far, Igbos are the ones kidnapping Igbos, they are the ones killing Igbos. All these camps. And by the way, because I came with the same false narrative. The false narrative, oh, the Fulanis, they are invading our people. They are now everywhere. They are waiting for whistle to be blown. And this, and they will take over. And therefore, we are the ones who are the liberators. We are now going into the bush to go to chase out the Fulanis. Nobody asked the question. They are now banning mafia to go and liberate you. How do they feed 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year? How do they feed? How do they feed? So that's, you see, I like I said, I'm one of you, but I decided to go home. Actually, in '99, I was a visiting professor at Swarthmore College. Okay? And I remember the last conversation of Japan sent him forth, because from there I moved down here to DC, to the World Bank, where I spent 18 months. I was just leaving and they were having a send forth party. And I remember the chairman of the department wishing that I could spend maybe a much longer time. My response was, a friend there called me several years to say how my response touched him, a white man. Asked me if God in his infinite wisdom decided in Memoria Africa, there must be a purpose. And I couldn't fulfill that purpose in this land. Here, that my marginal contribution to American civilization is next to zero, 0.something%. But my marginal contribution to the advancement of civilization in Africa will be, you see how your presence elevates the quality of discussion and decisions, and so on. And tomorrow, one of the meetings in Nigerian, that project, when I left Swarthmore to the World Bank, I was a long-term consultant, and we produced a book published by the World Bank in 2000 entitled Can Africa Claim the 21st Century?
I'm super excited hearing this because Igbo people that you know, when they are talking about kidnappers, they will be like, Northerners, now una they kidnap. But there was a time I was arguing with somebody, I told him that Northerners don't know how to hold gun. All those Fulani people and whatsoever, they are not from the north. Yes, they are not from the north. They are being sponsored to come there and, and execute whatsoever they are in Nigeria to execute. And I always say that their aim is not just to terrorize northern part of Nigeria, but the whole Nigeria. People are thinking I'm joking. Now you see how they are now opening and going to other states in Nigeria. Okay, there was a time I was listening to a Ghanaian guy analyzing what is happening in Nigeria. He made mention of something that division is one of our biggest problems, and it was like tribalism and religion is part of it. Now you guys are seeing it openly, like using your koro eyes, they see I'm right. When people are telling you what is happening in your country, you come and be beating your chest saying that you are not in Nigeria, you don't know what is happening in Nigeria. Meanwhile, you don't know that some people can stay far and see solutions that will heal your country. That's why sometimes it's good to listen and try and do it and see if it's going to work or not. But you guys will beat your chest and be like, I too know now. Waiting on a survey with that. Look at your king. That man will call himself king for Ghana. Look at what they do. Now to they carry shoulder, even in his stool. What would I even call it? Is it a stool or in chair where they sit down on top? Even big pass the chair. The chair where the king of Ashanti they sit down on top. Even big pass. Even big pass. If it is here they lie, I go put on here for you guys to see. Yes, I'm Delphina and I talk with proof. I know his own he's not going to be original gold though, but why they use fake thing? If they use fake thing, you can't carry shoulder up. I beg, may everybody just mind in business. So if you be king of Igbos in Ghana, yes, concentrate and do your kingship to only Igbos. As for me, I'm not an Igbo girl and you are not my king. Period. I'm very excited to show you guys all of these Ghanaians. I'm super excited that everything is coming out right in our faces so we see. Anybody where they defend Igbo, how market now? Hello, how market? Now your Igbo people they come out they open una yansh. Now Delphina talk am no. Who talk am? Now una governor. Hey! This one sweet me pass, oh. Shame on those people coming out to defend this evil thing where Igbo people they do for Ghana. If they catch thief, na Igbo, you go see say 5 Igbos or 4 Igbos and 1 Ghanaian. Who are those people trying to spoil Ghanaians? No be Igbos. Now Igbos, where you don't ever see say they don't catch Hausa man where they do shit. You don't ever see. I beg. When people they talk, man, una just stay for one corner. Now una by yourself go come out, they confess. Go confess because waiting una do people, all those things, all those bad things when una do people. God know they sleep. Now so una go come out, they talk am with your mouth. And again, guys, I just want to let you know that no be every Igbo person is bad. Okay, we have the good ones. People like this governor, we come and talk the truth. Aside him, we have a lot of them that don't support negativity. Yeah, so shout out to them. And the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from me. Peace and love. Bye.